Hi, I'm Pete Croft with Metro Roof Products. This presentation is designed to show consumers the simple start-to-finish steps involved with the Metro re-roof project. The home has a 30-year-old wood shake roof that is installed on the existing space sheathing, and then a new Metro Roman tile roof installed. These images show various details and angles with the old roof material in place, and later during this presentation we will show you the beautiful transformation of installing a Metro roof. Roofs are made up of different sections that are divided by either rakes, fascia, gables, ridges, hips, or valleys. This home's roof design uses only rakes, ridges, and valley sections. This is a close-up of a standard plumbing roof vent pipe, and as you can see, it is in need of replacement. The first step in the re-roofing process is to remove the old roof. Your local contractor will inspect the roof deck for possible damage or decay and replace the decking material as necessary. The tear-off crew cleans the entire roof surface after removal of the old roof and prepares the roof deck for fill-in replacement sheathing as necessary. This fill-in sheathing replacement ensures the Metro panels are able to be fastened to the roof deck to meet Metro's 120 mile/hour wind warranty, as well as local building codes. The material is delivered to your site by the Metro distributor. An underlay material designed to protect the structure during installation is then installed over the entire roof surface. Sometimes additional underlay or radiant barriers are installed, as was done with this application, to enhance the insulation performance of the home. With the Metro Roman tile, a special three-dimensional riser metal is installed across the fascia to ensure a weather-tight connection is achieved. The Metro full panels are laid on the various roof sections, leaving the edge portions open for later measuring and fitting of the cut sections. Now we can present the finished Metro Roman roof, complete and fully installed. After your contractor has performed a final check of the job, the result is a true transformation of your home and a smart roof for smart people. The following images show each roof section in both before and after views. This is the fascia and gable end before and after. Another before over the garage section and after. A close-up before of the rake and fascia corner and after of the same corner. This is the valley before and the valley after. Pipe vent before, pipe vent after. A larger roof section before with pipe penetrations and after. Main ridge before, main ridge after. Thanks for watching. Contact Metro or a distributor near you for more information on a Metro roof for your home. Whether it's the low-profile, sleek look of Metro shingle, the weathered rustic wood shake look of Metro shake, to the graceful curves of Metro Roman, or the classic style of Metro tile, we have a profile that will suit your design needs to provide years of protection for your home.